I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Apple ID and device are EU configured, because region controls feature availability and data residency. Once done, update to the latest iOS or Mac OS to get the Apple Intelligence components. Next, enable two-factor authentication and opt into any beta program if required. Make sure to grant microphone, camera, and local network access only to apps you trust so Apple Intelligence can process inputs. This avoids stalled features later when permissions block functionality. Now configure how Apple Intelligence uses your data. Open Settings and enable Siri and on-device intelligence features, adjusting typing suggestions and context sharing. Then go to iCloud settings and choose what to sync, messages, notes, and device analytics, while checking encryption and data residency controls. Also set language, region, and personalization preferences to refine how models respond. These choices determine what runs locally versus in the cloud. Once set, the system will balance privacy and finish by testing real use cases. Ask multi-step Siri queries, use intelligent text and image features, and confirm expected behavior. Observe privacy reports and watch battery or network changes for the next 24 to 48 hours to spot anomalies. If something fails, first reset app permissions and restart the device, then toggle intelligence features off and back on. If that doesn't help, export diagnostics and contact Apple's support with timestamps and reproduction steps. One key tip: when things go wrong, permissions are often the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.